All right, I'm with Quentin here. We're in get sidetracked and we're gonna be doing a little bit of exploring. He's got his camera with him right there.
We're gonna take some photos, have a good time, I think. Looks like this is a good area to go check, man. What do you think about that? It looks a little dark and dingy and kind of interesting to me.
I think that's perfect.
All right, man.
So we're gonna go check this out.
Let's do it.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're gonna definitely be going down this little way. We're gonna go up and down with Quentin. But before we do, I just want to give you a little context of where we are. We're not too far from the border. And we got this kind of park. There's kids playing bubbles. There's playground over there that we won't focus on. And lots of kind of cool stuff everywhere. Exercise as well. And we are going to pick up Quentin. And he's right there. I got this park and we're gonna ground it later. We're kind of near Aon Hone. He's got a couple good shots right there. Actually, those buildings look pretty cool up there.
They do, look with the nice little pretty little orange.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but
yeah.
In the old, very old apartments and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I think a lot of times too, they have those QR codes, so we could probably like check it out sometime.
Oh, okay.
Because
cool.
Macau has like QR codes on a lot of.
It has information and stuff.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, I didn't know.
I don't know if they have it on flowers, but they always have it on trees.
Oh, they do. You're right. You're right. Yeah, the IACM I think does a good job of that.
So what little I know about this, Quentin, is like this is a barbershop, but I don't know what kind of barbershop it is. But I've heard that some of these are not actual barbershops.
Oh. Okay.
So I don't know.
It might be more like a massage shop or something like that. Maybe.
Yeah. So that's one of the things I remember. I've been here before, and I'm not 100% sure. You know what's
on the up and up.
Yeah. So I think we can definitely just kind of film and see and find out. Yeah, it is kind of cool though. So we got all these, all the water pipes.
Yeah, it's very cool, isn't it?
Yep, because you basically have like all kinds of crazy stuff everywhere. I'm just gonna bring the camera up real quick. I was just thinking the rats are probably pretty huge around this area.
I bet they are too. Hopefully there's not any like Burmese pythons hanging from the wires. This is probably good for a wide angle, man.
Yeah, you're gonna switch?
Yeah, I think I probably ought to switch, dude.
I'm just gonna be going straight that way,
man,
but
I'm
I'll
just gonna sit here real quick and switch, and it'll literally take me like 2 minutes, if that.
Sounds good. I'll just be kind of getting sidetracked.
That's one reason why I want to get another camera as well.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, if there's like stairs that kind of go up and down, so I'll just kind of see. I think we have to cross the street, but you'll see me for sure. All right, so we're just gonna keep on going up and down. This kind of takes us to the border, and actually these are kind of interesting too. I'm gonna kind of explore a little bit while Quentin's getting set up there. But these are basically just residential places, but it looks like they also have some businesses too. Might go all the way across to the other end, just because he's kind of getting set up a little bit. Then we can just kind of see. What I'm gonna do is come up to the steps right here. Oh yeah, there we go. So now we can overlook a little bit. Yeah, we're really close to the border right here. And yeah, we can keep on going. I'm gonna go up this way and then come back down the steps. Oh, okay. So it looks like we can just keep going up and down. And I think what I'll do, of course, is go down. But I kind of want to give you a little context of exactly where we are. And there's like more of these, right? And they kind of go all the way up. And it looks like there's also some ones at the top like that too. Okay, so let's head back down. See, I think these are like kind of like old tenement or social housing kind of stuff. And we don't really know exactly what we're gonna find. I just
I think there are some probably big rats in here, bro.
I think so too. Check those, there's like stuff up the top too, like you can go across the ways.
Oh, that's wicked.
Yeah, it looks like, so I guess all of them, that's probably a good fire escape, like fifth floor fire escape across the other side. So now we're out on the streets. Yep, and then it just kind of keeps. I'll be right back in a second. There's actually playing mahjong there. This looks amazing right here. Yeah, this is really photogenic. Man, it's kind of interesting.
That's great shit.
Like, look how much like soot is on that.
I know. I saw that from over there, and I was like.
Like, that's, you gotta film that. Like, that's just like.
Amazing. Probably 60 years of soot, man.
Yeah. There we go. So we got some pretty cool stuff everywhere around here. So I'm just gonna move back a little bit. And so that's that little spot, and then we're gonna keep on going up, and I think we're gonna try to get a little bit more. I think he'll know where I'm at, so I'm gonna go up this way. He'll look this way anyways, because I kind of want to get some more of this stuff right in here. Okay, so anyways, yeah, this is kind of a cool little spot. So and it just keeps going down and up and down and down, and then even when we're at that park, we could have went the other way as well. It just kept going up and down as well. So Quentin. So we're gonna go up this way. Some of these look like they have gates as well. So I think I might complete this one, but maybe we can do a little commentary.
Yeah, this is really interesting.
Yeah. And actually, I don't know, that one guy that just went by, you know, when he went by me, he saw the camera, he went like that immediately.
You know, I think this might be an area where there's quite a bit of hookers.
That's what I think too.
I think so. I think I remember when COVID was here, that there was a lot of joking because this area got really filled with COVID, and a lot of women's husbands got stuck here, and there was a joke on Facebook saying, "Don't worry, your husbands will be back home soon." You know. So I think this might be that area.
Yep, I think so too. So I think the men that are, that's because I remember this in the past that I see a lot more men than women for one, and they're like walking around by themselves, right? Some of them live in here.
Yeah,
but
it's definitely an older part of town and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll conclude this particular video, and this is if anybody knows exactly what I could call this is for a name, let me know, and maybe give me some more information as well. So I think basically what we kind of sorting out is what all goes on here.
It's an interesting area. I mean, it's beautiful to photograph. I mean, the contrast is amazing.
Yeah.
Between the different lights and the different buildings and all the steel and the structure.
Yeah.
Really interesting, man.
Yeah.
Really interesting. I mean, you can see just like right here, it's old, it's dilapidated, and then right through there you can just see an old, a newer building that's just kind of popped up. It's almost like a flower in the rough, kind of, or a diamond in the rough, so to speak. Very interesting, man.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Very, very different contrast between the cities, man.
Yep. Yeah, it's a nice way. It's a little bit different than what the tourists see in Macau, right?
Really interesting, man.
All right, so we're gonna end it right here.
Cool.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Chiquinha.